Hi everyone, this is Chad from Attuned. I wanted to kind of follow along with my previous videos where I talked about improving communication, I talked about engagement. What I'd like to talk about today is how you can use Attuned's action board to actually kind of create ideas for discussion or to implement to actually see these changes in action. So what we can see here is just the engagement. We can see a couple of areas that need to be worked on. So going down here, right here you have create an action. And so you may want to relate these to like the specific, answers that people are given, or if there's specific things that you want to address, you can do that. I'm just going to go in here and create one. If you have an idea, this is great. Let's see, 1 day competition. And then here you can put whatever you think the guidelines might be, or the ideas that you have, whatever kind of works in terms of the description. If it's not fully formed, that's okay. It can still be discussed. Then you can just assign that to a motivator, and you can actually assign it to a team as well. If you're managing multiple teams, or if you wanted to assign it to the whole business, you can do that as well. You save. And then over here on the action board, what you're going to see pop up first is our recommendations, but if you've created one or you already have some in progress, you'll see it here. So I just created that one. If we go back here to the recommended actions as well, you'll see some other things. So for each of these, we have a selection, and you can kind of go through them and look at multiple ones. The stars denote how difficult that would be to implement. So you see for some, like particularly in financial needs, where it might require organizational level change, those things are going to be more difficult. For something like doing, setting goals that encourage competition, we can probably do that at the team level. It might require a little bit of a change from what people are used to, but if we go in here, we can kind of see how that is described. And then if that's something that you're interested in, you can add it to actions right here. And then as you, discuss it with the team, as you kind of implement it, you can kind of walk it through here. And hopefully you'll see the engagement start to go up in that category. If not, you kind of need to go back and look if there's, what are the specific answers that people are given, and are there different ways that you could address that. Thank you very much.